Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and I'm here to provide you with the tools and resources to help your maintenance and reliability teams succeed. In today's video, we're going to explore the best structure for your maintenance weekly team meetings. We'll discuss how to set clear goals, formulate an effective agenda, and assign actionable tasks. By the end of this short video, you'll have a template for a 15-minute meeting that could transform your team's efficiency and morale. Let's dive right into the best structure for your maintenance weekly team meetings. These meetings are essential, and they must have clear goals and an agenda from the start. And when you wrap up, you want to assign measurable action items. Keep it short and sweet. If your team sees these meetings as catalysts to increased efficiency and an improved work environment, they will participate enthusiastically and help level up the meetings even further. So let's break down what a possible 15-minute meeting could look like. First up, spend about 2 minutes on a KPI update. Weekly meetings are a fantastic time to check in on KPIs for the team. Not every KPI needs to be discussed at every weekly meeting, but they can be scheduled on a rotating basis so that everyone has an opportunity to chime in. You may even want to post top KPIs on a visual board that can be easily referenced. A quick verbal rundown of work order statistics, such as the percent of planned jobs completed, downtime improvements, and estimated time versus actual time, can provide a good basis for questions and discussions as needed. Plus, if those stats are good, regular updates can boost morale. Next, spend about 10 minutes looking back and looking forward. Weekly meetings can be the perfect way to bring together multiple departments to prioritize maintenance work orders across a facility. Spend 5 minutes going through the work completed during the prior week, including a quick discussion on what can be improved. Then take another 5 minutes to review the work for the upcoming week and address any questions or concerns. In some facilities, a brief midday meeting can help clarify priorities for the next workday if adjustments need to be made more frequently than once a week. It's also a good idea to have guidelines for emergency or urgent situations that allow a team to adjust work order priorities outside weekly meetings. Finally, dedicate about 3 minutes to address blockers. Weekly team meetings provide a standing time and place for team members to bring up issues or conflicts. If employees know that problems can be addressed and resolved during these meetings, you'll foster a more positive work environment. Although CMMS and other technology tools can produce work orders, schedules, and other task lists, relying solely on these computerized systems leaves a lot of room for human miscommunication. For example, if a high-priority work order appears automatically but a critical piece of equipment happens to be on order, a technician may move to a secondary work order. To employees outside that department, it may appear as if low-priority work orders are being completed out of order. Weekly meetings can clear up those types of issues and facilitate better overall communication. So there you have it. A quick, efficient, and effective structure for your maintenance weekly team meetings. Remember, keep it short, focused, and ensure everyone has a chance to contribute. And that concludes our video. Thank you for watching. We've covered the importance of clear goals, an effective agenda, and actionable tasks in your maintenance weekly team meetings. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about our tools and resources, visit us at upkeep.com. Happy meeting, and see you in our next video.